Hello friends, I will tell you how you can add the Mendeley plugin in Microsoft Word and how to use it. First of all, on the Home tab, we click on the Add-ins button on the far right. Here we write Mendeley in the search bar, and as you can see, Mendeley appears in the search results. Here we click on the Add button. When we click on the Add button, our Mendeley application becomes active. It appears in the Reference tab. As you can see here, it does not appear in the Home tab. After you enter the Mendeley application, as you can see in every application, it directs you to its own site to define your username and password. Here you save your name, surname, email address and password and become a member of the Mendeley application. Then, when you start working, the Mendeley application, as you can see, this time it starts a process to define your Microsoft username. When we continue the progress here, you define your Microsoft username. Lastly, you click Assign and you register the Mendeley application, and also Microsoft does not match your username with Mendeley. Now friends, before you start using the Mendeley application, I have two recommendations for you. First, install the Mendeley application on your desktop. mendeley.com/download. Click on the Download Now for Windows button. You will need to throw away the relevant documents. As I said, we will see this part soon when you start using it. If you want to use it in Word without any problems, firstly, install the Mendeley application on your desktop. Secondly, open a folder on the C drive. Now I will access some documents about cats and we will try to get them from the reference bibliographies Mendeley. I want to write an article about cats. And I start researching on the internet. As you can see, when I typed cats free PDF, I came across some internet pages. Of course, friends, I am trying to access free PDFs to explain the video, since I am shooting a video. Of course, you can download a PDF related to your scientific work or literary work. When you send the books, you can access the necessary paid and free books from the Books tab and perform operations such as the process I will do in a moment. First of all, I download this Cats and People book from the link here, and, as I said before, after opening my PDF, I put the PDF I found while searching on the internet in the folder called Cats in the folder I opened on the C drive. Friends, C drive is not required, but if you want to use Mendeley and Word together without any errors, if you do it this way, you will not encounter any problems. I am adding a different PDF from the same site. I am saving this PDF to my folder. Finally, let's add another PDF. Let's save it in our folder. Now, I have 3 PDFs in my folder and I will read these works, and after reading them, I will take notes in Word. After adding the 3 PDFs to my folder, I go to the Mendeley application that I installed on the desktop. Here I click Add References and options such as File, Folder, Import, Library appear. Import file, I do it again. I come to the folder, all the PDFs, don't worry about them as PDFs, it can be Word, it can be Excel. I say PDF only because I proceed this way. There may be other types of documents, you can put them in your folder. I select all the PDFs by pressing the Shift key, I click Open. As you can see, the PDFs started to load on the right side. Yes friends, now we have done such a process to work smoothly and error-free in Word Mendeley, we have progressed in such a process. Now let's move on to our normal work. I will write an article or a book. I open the books I found on the internet about cats, I start reading and I liked this paragraph. I also have my own comments. I copy and paste the text between the operations I added to the Word, that is, I will use this paragraph as well. I liked this paragraph. I come to the Mendeley application. As you can see, there is a refresh button here. I click on the refresh button. What was the name of our book? Cats and People. As you can see, when I click on the refresh, Cats and People becomes a PDF. The PDFs that I saved to Mendeley and uploaded appear. I click on the box, I click Insert below. As you can see, the bibliography quotation is added under the paragraph. Then I come to the folder again, I open the second book, I start reading the book, I do the quotation in the same way, I Control-C the paragraph, I come to the word, I Control again, what is the name of our book? An overview of caring for outdoor cats, I click on the box from here, I click Insert and the bibliography is created under the paragraph again, and finally, I go to the PDF again. There are some articles about the characteristics of cats, I take this article, I do Control-C, I come to Word again and add the paragraph in this way and the same again, the name of our book is Cat Breed Characteristics. I immediately click on the box and insert. Friends, if we proceed like this by using Mendeley, you will not have any problems. As for the other features of Mendeley, there are language settings here. For those who want to use languages other than English, they can adjust the language settings of Mendeley from here. Again, we can change the styles while adding bibliography. We will show the refresh button again, references, that is, you need to press the refresh button after uploading to Mendeley. Then, as you see here, there is a box with 4 dots, Mendeley features are like this. Friends, now we have written our last article or added the paragraphs in which we quoted our book and wrote bibliography under them, now we will add our article or book. Before submitting it to the institution, I click on the 4 dots here, I click Insert Bibliography, I click Continue. As you can see, the names of the 3 books I have quoted appear here. If the institution to which you will submit your article or book works with a different style, I go to Citation Settings from here, I say Change Citation Style, I tried the style with APA right now, Vancouver. I select it at the bottom, I select Update Citation Style, I click on the 4 dots again, I say Insert Bibliography, I say Continue, as you can see, this time bibliography with Vancouver style was created under our article or book. That's all I have to say. Take care, see you in the next video.